Bonjour, mes amis, and bienvenue to day 11 of my 25 days of vlogging. C'est moi, Jessie, your resident Francophile, and here on Cappuccinos and Consignment, I focus on lifestyle, travel, and finance. S'il vous plaît, take a moment to like, subscribe, and follow. Follow me over on Insta. I have a blog, and I am desperately trying to find my way on TikTok. If this is your first time joining me, please do visit my previous vlogs where you can get the true essence of Cappuccinos and Consignment. Vintage mes amis know that I speak about mental health a lot, and to be perfectly transparent, I am just not in a space mentally or emotionally today to show up properly, but I did not want to break my streak, so this vlog will be instrumental. I appreciate your support so much. If you have errands to run or chores to do, just let it play in the background. I appreciate it, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao for now.